Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So in this today's video, I'm going to share something really special thing which happened me on the last week. On the last week, I was invited for the Ekadasi event by the Kaushik Bhai, and thank you so much Kaushik Bhai for organizing this whole event. This whole event is all about the chanting different mantras and sloks and try to connect them with the God. So firstly we started with the introduction about the Sankalpna, then move ahead with the Ganesha mantra and Vishnu Vasudevaya Nama and many more mantra. But during the chanting of this whole mantra, we felt very something different, that atmosphere becomes very peaceful and powerful at the same time. Even we felt like everything is stopped for the moment. So yeah, it was such a truly very nice. And in the end we even had the bhajans, and lastly with a very tasty snacks which makes the whole event more warm and joyful. Even I met different people out there. So in the end, I will not going to forget this event in my whole life, that I visited this kind of mantra chanting event in Augsburg. Even I capture some of the very nice moment from it. So let me show you guys in a further video.
Story of Atri and Anusuya. So as you know, there is one Rishi called as Atri. His wife is Anusuya. So she is very pativrata. She is she does everything for her husband very nicely, and that's why the three gods Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, they wanted to test her. So what they did is they went to her home when Atri Rishi was not there, and they came in the face of sadhus. So as you know, in our parampara, when sadhu comes, they will not deny them anything. So what they told is all these three sadhus told her to give them food, but the condition that they put was that they should give them the food. She should serve them the food without clothes. So she should not wear anything, and then she should serve them the food. That's how the condition was there. So what to do? So now Anusuya went inside into the kitchen, and she prayed on her husband herself, Atri. And what she did is she took some water in her hand, and she put mantras into it and sprayed it on the three Brahmins over there. Because of the tapa that was there inside her and her husband's tapa as well, all those three Brahmins, they became into the form of small children. Now what she did is, now she took each child and gave her own milk to the children. So in that way, her condition was also their condition was also satisfied, that she should give them food without clothes. That condition was also satisfied. That's how the three children were there. Now when Atri, the Rishi, came to his home, so he got to know that okay, all these things have happened. So then what he did is he took the three children and clubbed them into one body. So, and they adopted the child. So as you know, in Marathi and also in other Sanskrit, we have the word to adopt. The word to adopt is Dattak, and from there his name Datta came into, Sri Gurudev Datta came into being. So he had 3 heads. He has 3 heads and 6 arms. That's how Sri Datta Gurudev is there. That is his story of his birth. Now this also relates to Krishna himself. By how? So Sri Datta Guru is contemporary or of the same time as that of Sri Krishna. At the time of Sri Krishna's death, when he got struck with his arrow, he got to know that he is going to die. So he called on Sri Datta Guru, and when he came, so he told Datta Guru to start Nath Sampradaya. Nath Sampradaya. So the examples are many. Gorakhnath, Balaknath. The book that you are reading, autobiography of a yogi, Yogananda, his guru was also belonged to the Nath Sampradaya. Then we have in Maharashtra something called as Navanath. So at the time of his leaving his body, Krishna brought the 9 celestial Vishnus, which are there in other form, other lokas, to earth in this Nath Parampara. And they were called as Navanath. And then in Maharashtra also and in many other places in India, we have this Navanath Yatra as well. So this Nath Sampradaya got started. It started from Gurudev Datta with the help of Krishna. And then you have like four gurus which are there, four avatars of Dattatreya himself. So first avatar is he himself is the Dattatreya. The first avatar is then Shripad Shri Vallabh. So his place is there in Gangapur. And then the next one is Nrsimha Saraswati. His place is there in Nursiyawadi, Maharashtra. And the fourth is Shri Swami Samartha Maharaj, of whose photo you would have seen at my place in the Devara. So, friends, Krishna Vasudeva.
कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः 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 कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय वासुदेवाय नमः ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय नमः ॐ नमो तुझ एक जगती जगकारण प्रकट शरणागतास सद्गुरु शोधे शांति अनंत बाहु दिगंबर सुटतो प्राण
Jai
कोई नाही बताऊंगी माँ कोई नाही बताऊंगी संग नहीं जाऊंगी गुरु जी मैं एक ज्योत में ज्योत ज्योत में ज्योत मिलाऊंगी ज्योत में ज्योत मिलाऊंगी सत